In this video, I'm going to show you how to log a workout on Fitbod. Now, I'm assuming if you're trying to log a workout, you're trying to actually log your custom-owned workout. And usually when you come here, it's going to be a workout with a lot of exercises already basically pre-generated with AI. So if you want to log your own workout, go to the very top over here in the workout tab, and you can see those three dots. Click on those three dots. And then here you can do, of course, refresh workout, which is going to refresh it, and maybe you'll like this one. Or you could also do the swap button, and then here it's going to say create workout from scratch at the bottom left. Click on that, and then here you can then start creating your workout from scratch. So let's say, for example, I'm going to add some exercises, for example, A-skips. I'm going to add in the airplane, and let's just add in ankle circles over here, and I'm going to click on add 3 exercises. And it's going to generate a workout which consists only of those 3 exercises over here, and you can then move them around like this, and of course you can go ahead and click on them, add sets, add reps, etc. So that's pretty much how to log a workout, and then you can just go ahead and start it, and after you're completed it, you basically have successfully logged your own workout which was generated by you. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.